We were here for the art workshop at Knowledgeum. We had a wonderful experience here. Briefly, I'm from a science background, so I don't understand arts a lot. So it was very nice for me to see all the different kinds of art forms.
Kids nowadays are mostly stressed out with all the works that they've been doing with the schools, projects, this, everything.
I'm actually happy that art is being taken seriously nowadays, and it's just not, it's just not a education with, with science subjects or, things like that.
For me as a science student, I had not even, for example, realized that photography was an art form. And for me, it was useful for me to understand what she likes about it, how she works on it, and it was a wonderful experience which I think also brought us both together.
This workshop has actually given them a lot of insight. They are able to relax themselves, they are able to concentrate on themselves, and the most basic thing is they are able to focus on each and every minute details of the art.
Mandala art and pottery, and I'm really happy that Knowledgeum has taken her talent to a different level. It shows her interest towards art, and I would really wish that she continues here.
We should also encourage them to focus more on art so that it helps the kid to be more relaxed, more concentrated and more focused on the daily life also.
So thanks a lot to Knowledgeum, and thanks to everyone who arranged this.